Welcome, chili heads, to another episode of Spirituality Through Capsaicin. I am your host, Omelet 24/7, and today it's a beautiful Sunday. Hopefully, I get a bunch of challenges done today. But before I do the challenges, I figured that might as well do an unboxing and then eat some pods, you know? Get the motor running. But yes, we have my buddy gave me this box. Thanks you, man. I don't know why I'm stuttering. But yes, today's hot mail is from Miller's Savory Challenges. It is a Heat Feasters challenge. And I need a cutting device out here. Apparently, it'd save time, memory, and all that, right? Sorry for the depression, but it is what it is. Stop squeezing it. Oh, looky there. Yeah, I knew I needed to open this soon. Yes, it was supposed to be a chocolate habanero, but I didn't, someone beat me. I didn't reply or comment in time. But it's cool because guess what? We got something hotter. It looks like some kind of ghost for sure. Alaskan Premium Seasoning. I don't know how long y'all been following me, but I wanted to go to Alaska. I lived in the woods for 3.5 months, and I bought my last solar panel and had the money for the ferry and everything, and turn of events made it not so, and then I ended up back in Mansfield, Ohio. No resentment. But yes, it's made in the USA. Ingredients are salt, black pepper, granulated garlic, brown sugar, chili powder, ground sage, cumin, smoked paprika, onion powder, basil, unique blend of spices and seasonings, Miller and Miller Company, LLC, Milton, Florida. Our Alaskan Premium Seasoning is a unique blend of herbs and spices that captures the essence of the Alaskan wilderness. I knew I'd like it. Add this delicious smoky and savory taste to any dish, whether it's grilled meats, roasted vegetables, or even seafood. Our Alaskan Premium Seasoning is versatile and flavorful addition to your kitchen pantry. So yes, give him a follow. But not only that, he is a Heat Feasters vendor. And what that means is we got the Heat Feasters challenge. I do believe level 2 bonus. Thought I got a level 4, but we got a level 2 bonus. And we got directions and a business card. $14 total possible points. Challenge is 7. All right. So we're gonna definitely do that tonight. So we might do a mix of that one and the secret and that Alaskan seasoning, y'all. Me and Chris, I think we'd really get along, man. Yeah. So yes, let's do an unboxing. Try to make this not real super long. I'm running out of memory all the time, y'all. Yeah. You can smell the dill. There's dill in there, like. Yeah. So yes, that is very good. Can't wait to. I've been eating a lot of potatoes. I eat potatoes in the summertime because if I eat a bunch of meat, I get super fat. So I try not to do that. Well, anyways, I did want to show too, we got some 7 pots that I harvested. The reapers are coming in too. Yeah, I did want to show these. I might eat these depending on how hot the pod I was given is. I didn't eat a whole lot, but yeah, these are the premature. Like the reason why they're so small, one, I guess the small ones are hotter anyways. But it's premature pollination, or not premature, but poorly pollinated because it was babies and it was early in the season and it didn't know what to do. It got cold here, so it thought that it was winter time again. So the leaves yellowed and started falling, all that fun stuff. Look at the little baby. The little baby 7 pot. So yes, we will try out this pepper. I will get back with him on, I like that. I didn't think about that. Wrapping it in foil, or I'll shut up for a sec. Yes, it is. Wow. Definitely got some scorpion in it, or Trinidad in it. It looks like a ghost, but definitely like a scorpion, I think. Maybe it's a chocolate apocalypse scorpion. I will save these seeds because I haven't got his genetics yet. So these may be in the future posts. Definitely got the super hot smell. It's probably going to be a little perfumey. Wow. Thank you, buddy. That's so awesome. So yes, we will be growing some, I believe, oh yeah, out of Florida. So we got some more Florida, maybe all April Sunrise Farms, man. She is a super awesome grower too. Yeah. So cheers. I will comment below what this is. Yeah, definitely. I guess it's perfumey for sure. Wow. Definitely perfumey. Sorry, I'm not really a pod guy. Woo. Let's see. 9:30. Wow. I think that one's gonna be good enough. So since it is June 30th, if y'all don't know by now, we will read chapter 30 out of Proverbs, because there's a chapter per day. So if you're on the 17th, read chapter 17. I'm drilling already. Yeah, that's pretty hot. Okay, Proverbs. Forgive me. It's a pretty short chapter too. I don't really want to do the 7 bots. Pretty soon, hopefully, I'll be able to eat a couple of these peppers a day. I gotta be if I'm going to compete, right? No, Gracie. Okay, forget my dogs. Well, the one's mine, the other ones aren't. Saying of Agar. The sayings of Agar, son of Jacob, contain this message. I am weary, O God. I'm weary and worn out. This is why I love Proverbs. I am too stupid to be human, and I lack common sense. I have not mastered human wisdom, nor do I know the Holy One. Who but God goes up to heaven and comes back down? Who holds the wind in his fists? Who wraps up the oceans in his cloak? Who has created the whole wide world? What is his name and his son's name? Tell me if you know. Every word of God proves true. He is a shield to all who come to him for protection. Do not add to his words, or he may rebuke you and expose you as a liar. O God, I beg 2 favors from you. Let me have them before I die. First, help me never tell a lie. That'd be nice, wouldn't it? Second, give me neither poverty nor riches. I've had extremes of both. Give me just enough to satisfy my needs. Oh, hold on. Yeah, I'm leaking bad. Oh. Ouch. Holy cow. See, I needed to read this. This is kind of what I'm going through. I'm behind on the gardening. But it's like I'm always doing it. Oh God, I beg 2 favors from you. Let me have them before I die. First, help me never tell a lie. Second, give me neither poverty nor riches. Give me just enough to satisfy my needs, or if I grow rich, I may deny you and say, who is the Lord? And if I am too poor, I may steal, thus insult God's holy name. Never slander a worker to the employer, or the person who curse you, and you will pay for it. I did that for a long time. Ruined everything. Some people curse their father and do not thank their mother. I have been doing that recently in silence. My mom finally did give me something. She gave me this. See how long I can stay. It's not much, but man, it's something. They are pure in their own eyes, but they are filthy and unwashed. They look proudly around, casting disdainful glances. They have teeth like swords and fangs like knives. They devour the poor from the earth and the needy from among humanity. The leech has 2 suckers that cry out, more, more. There are 3 things that are never satisfied. No 4 that never say enough. The grave, the barren womb, the thirsty desert, the blazing fire. The eye that mocks a father and despises a mother's... Excuse me. Ow. Couldn't tell it's hot. The gas is coming, or they say burp, sorry. The eye, hold on. Well, it's a good positive vibes, isn't it? It's hard to breathe. I'm drooling. Oh man. There are 3 things that make the earth tremble. No 4 it cannot endure. Wait, hold on. The eye that mocks a father and despises a mother's instruction will be plucked out by ravens in the valley and eaten by vultures. There are 3 things that amaze me, no 4 that I don't understand. How an eagle glides through the sky, how a snake slithers on a rock, how a ship navigates the ocean, how a man loves a woman. An adulterous woman consumes a man, then wipes her mouth and says, "What's wrong with that?" There are 3 things that make the earth tremble. No 4 it cannot endure. A slave who becomes a king. That's why y'all are mad. An overbearing fool who prospers. A bitter woman who finally gets a husband. A servant girl who suppants her mistress. There are 4 things on earth that are small but unusually wise. Ants. They aren't strong, but they store up food all summer. Hyraxes. They are powerful, but they make their homes among the rocks. See what hyraxes are. Rock badgers. I love this book. Thanks you, Lindsay, for giving me this. She didn't have to. She was pretty cool. She's my therapist out there in California. And I complained about my 1901 Bible being gone, and she was like, 1 second. She went and got me this on 7/13/2023. I drank to forget, now I'm sober to remember. Okay. Locusts have no king, but they march in formation. Lizards, they are easy to catch, but they are found even in kings' palaces. There are 3 things that walk with stately stride, no 4 that strut about. The lion, king of animals, who won't turn aside for anything. The strutting rooster, the male goat, a king as he leads his army. Forgive me. If you have been a fool by being proud or plotting evil, cover your mouth in shame. As the beating of cream yields butter, the striking the nose causes bleeding, so stirring up anger causes quarrels. I'm good at that. That's why I don't drink. My memory's good. So yes, thanks again, Millery Savory Seasonings and Challenges for the pod. I will be doing this today, especially because it's level 2 with a bonus. Could have been 21 points, but so yes, as always, thank you for watching and have a blessed day.